creamy coffee and cardamom ice cream recipe. Hey there, coffee lovers. Welcome back to our kitchen. Today, I've got a treat for you that combines two of my favorite flavors, coffee and cardamom. We're making a rich and creamy coffee and cardamom ice cream that's perfect for any time of year. Let's dive into the ingredients. 2 cups heavy cream. 1 cup whole milk. 3/4 cup granulated sugar. 3 tablespoons instant coffee powder. 1 teaspoon ground cardamom. 4 egg yolks. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Pinch of salt. Instructions. First, we're going to make our ice cream base. In a saucepan over medium heat, combine the heavy cream, whole milk, granulated sugar, instant coffee powder, and ground cardamom. Whisk everything together until the sugar and coffee powder are dissolved and the mixture is warm. In a separate bowl, whisk together the egg yolks until they're smooth. Now, we're going to temper the eggs by slowly pouring a small amount of the warm cream mixture into the yolks while whisking constantly. This helps prevent the eggs from scrambling when we add them back to the saucepan. Once tempered, pour the egg mixture back into the saucepan with the rest of the warm cream mixture. Cook over medium heat, stirring constantly, until the mixture thickens enough to coat the back of a spoon. This usually takes about 5-7 minutes. Be careful not to let it boil. Now, remove the saucepan from the heat and stir in the vanilla extract and a pinch of salt. Then, strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve to remove any lumps or bits of egg. Next, cover the mixture with plastic wrap, making sure the plastic wrap touches the surface to prevent a skin from forming. Chill the mixture in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight, until it's completely cold. Once chilled, it's time to churn our ice cream. Pour the mixture into your ice cream maker and churn according to the manufacturer's instructions, usually about 20-25 minutes, until it reaches a soft serve consistency. Transfer the churned ice cream to a freezer-safe container, smoothing the top with a spatula. Cover it with a lid or plastic wrap and freeze for at least 4 hours or until firm. And there you have it. Creamy, dreamy coffee and cardamom ice cream that's sure to satisfy your cravings. Serve it in a cone or a bowl, topped with some chopped nuts or a drizzle of caramel for an extra indulgent treat. I hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy every spoonful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching.
Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.